Fatima Bia General, but you can call me Bia. My hometown is Naga City, which is located in Camarines Sur, Bicol Province. I was born on August 27, 1995. I will be playing as the new libero for the Choco Mucho Flying Titans.
Hi, I'm Marian Angelique Abad Alba. My nickname is Mars, and ang hometown ko ay sa San Mateo, Rizal. My birthday is August 26, 1999, position 7.
Hi, my name is Mary Ann Mendres. My nickname is Mean. Ang hometown ko ay San Pedro, Laguna. Birthday November 14, 1998, position outside hitter.
I'm Honey Rose Tubino. You can call me Royce. My hometown is Sinunok, Zamboanga City. My birthday is January 12, 1993. My position is outside heater or opposite heater.
I think yung semifinal round na umabot pa ng Game 3, which is yung All-Filipino Conference last year.
Five-setter match kami. Fifth set, 14-11. Nag-outside si Ate Kiana, tapos panalo na yung Choco Mucho nun. Pero yung coaching staff namin is nag-challenge na net touch. Tapos yun, nabaliktad na yung game. Nanalo kami.
My most memorable PPL memory against Choco Mucho is yung POG ako ng All Filipino Conference. Nag-swag-swag kami ni Ate Maddie. Ganun.
Siguro yung nag-tipset kami ni Choco last season. Ayun, muntik na namin sila matalo.
To Santos!
Lahat naman sila, halos karamihan sa kanila, first time kong makakasama sa isang team. I'm sure na madami kaming matututunan sa isa't isa.
I'm excited to play with my seniors from Lasal, Des Cheng and Aduque Abonsanya. Also, Cici Rondina and Tang Ponce.
I'm excited to play alongside with Tang Ponce kasi super funny and jolly niya inside and outside the court.
Excited ako makasama si Cici. And kasi alam ko, very competitive siya na athlete.
My favorite Choco Mucho variant is, syempre, yung OG, milk chocolate.
My favorite Choco Mucho variant is Choco Mucho Cookies, white choco.
My favorite Choco Mucho variant is Chanan! Double Choco! Super sarap nito, nakaka-addict.
Milk chocolate. Ayun.
For New Titans, highlights gameplay.